In this video, I will show you how to highlight the lowest n values or bottom n values in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have student names and their marks in various subjects in these columns. Now I want to highlight the lowest 3 marks with the light yellow color. To do that, I will use the Excel small function. The small function returns the nth smallest number from the specified cell range or an array. This function accepts 2 arguments, a cell range or an array, and the position in the array or cell range to return. For example, we can use this small formula to get the smallest number in the given cell range and this small formula to get the second smallest number from the cell range. I will get the third smallest number from the marks range and then highlight all the cells that are equal to or less than that to get the bottom 3 values. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the User Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will get the third smallest number from the marks range and compare it with the first cell in the range, cell C3. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the mark range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the lowest cells. I am going to choose the light yellow color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is less than or equal to the third lowest mark. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, the bottom 3 values are now highlighted with the light yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means if we change any cell value to make it more than the third smallest value, the format will be automatically removed like this. Similarly, if we change any cell value to less than the third bottom value, it will be highlighted in the light yellow color as defined in the formatting rule like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the marked cells again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting from the marked cells that we defined previously, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from these cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.